Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I have a skewed or asymmetrical, elegant little box, perfect for sweets or tricks or treats. Let's get started. And I can't wait to do this part. So I got this wax seal kit off of Amazon, and it's got a dinosaur, octopus, bumblebee map, and celestial design, as well as my favorite, the skull. And I also got this little furnace, and I'm going to light the tea light. And then I also got assortments of wax beads, and this one has a bit of blue in it. So I'm going to use this one here, and I need about 4 of them. I'm just going to drop them in here so they can melt. I'm using my silicone mat to protect my work surface. I'm going to pour it in somewhat of a circle. I don't mind if it's misshapen at all. And then I'm going to take my skeleton. While that's setting up, I'm going to clean my spoon and being careful not to touch it because it's still hot. And that should be ready. And there is a skeleton seal. I have scraps of basic white here. I'm going to use some blending brushes. So I have Highland Heather. I'm going to load that up, and I'm going to make this kind of splotchy. I don't want it all one color, and that's why I'm also using the ink blending instead of using the cardstock. And then this side, I'm going to use a mixture of the purple. I'm using Night of Navy because that's also in the paper. And then I'm going to die cut shapes. This little sprig is from the Simply Zinnia, and just some other random bits of small foliage from dies I have. Okay, I'm starting out with a 6 by 12 inch piece of paper, and I'm going to score on the long side at 2, 6, 8, and 11 and a half. And the short side I'm scoring at 1 and a half, 4 and a half, and 5 and a quarter. And then I'm going to fold on all of the score lines. And first we're going to wedge this one and wedge this one. And then we're going to wedge all of these across the bottom. And this one I'm going to straighten because I got a little wobbly there. Okay, then on the top, this one here is the widest. This is 4 inches. So we're going to wedge in here and cut inside the score up to that 4 inch. Then we're going to wedge here, wedge here, and then we're going to cut this one off completely inside that score line. So when we're done, this is what we have. Put some adhesive on this tab here, and I'm going to use the double-sided tape. I'm going to add some adhesive here. And adhesive on these 2 flaps. And the first one we're going to do is this one. So we're going to remove the backing, and this
this section here is smaller than this section, and it's supposed to be that way. So now we want to line this up. You want to line up the top and the bottom. Along that edge. And you can see how that's asymmetrical. And then we're going to push these sides in and kind of get it even and flatten it out. Okay, then these sides are going in first. So we're going to remove our backing. And then this is going in next. And as you can see, I need to wedge it a little more because that's going to overhang the edge. And then this flap, remove the adhesive, or remove the backing. And then this side comes down. And then this is going to go into here. And as you can see, it's too wide. So again, I need to wedge a little bit more to make that fit. Get this one a little straighter. And the other thing I'm going to do then is round this edge, this corner a tiny bit. And now you have an adorable little wedge-shaped box. And what fits in here? A gift card and some candies. And you can get quite a bit in here. So I have this gorgeous ribbon. We're going to tie around here into a nice big bow. I cut a small circle out of a scrap of basic white. I'm going to apply these using glue dots. And it's okay if it hangs over the bottom edge because I'm going to trim it so it does not show at all. And then I'm going to cut away the bit you can see here. And there you have it, an elegant little treat box for All Hallows Eve.
Find written instructions over on my blog at... If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching. Bye!